Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. Here are the few simple ways to check. First, check your chat with them. If you sent a message and see your message could not be delivered, that's the sign that you may be blocked. Next, check their profile. If you can no longer see their status or activity, they might have blocked you. Third, reaction test. Try reacting to one of their messages. If the reaction doesn't appear, it usually means you're blocked. And friend list check. If they suddenly disappear from your friends list, that's another clue. And that's how you can tell if someone blocked you on Discord. Just remember, it's not always personal. Sometimes people just need their space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.